Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. This time a tutorial on how to use the PowerView surface mount remote control to control this shade. Now you're a tenant at this home at Tahoe, and the owner wants to make sure that you're familiar with how to use it so that you have a happy time. So here you have the master bedroom shade. And you'll notice that's in a top-down, bottom-up operation. The remote control is right here against the wall. Now I'm going to tell you what I'm doing on the remote so you can see how it operates. Well, actually I'll just show you here. You'll notice that it has, the only button that's relevant to this job is the 1 button. 2, 3, 4, 5 are not programmed. The all button would also work. But for now, just leave it in 1 all the time. If you want the shade to close, it's simple. It says close right there. Just tap close, and you'll notice that the shade is going to the all the way closed position. If you want it all the way open, take a guess. That's right, open. You just tip that. I'm not going to do it for the sake of discussion. If you want to move the rail down from the top, though, that's what this one and this one are for. If you want to move the rail down, see how it's a down arrow? If you want to move the rail up, it's an up arrow. So let's say we hit down. You'll notice the shade is moving. Let's say we want to stop it right there. We just go to the stop button, press that, and of course it stopped right where we wanted. Now, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to lower it. I set a favorite position on this. So if you come back over here, do you see this heart button? See that heart button right there? Just tap that. I'm going to show you what happens when I do it. I tap it, and it's going to go up to the position that was predetermined. And for this, I'm tall, 6'2", so when you're looking out, you can see you have total privacy over the top from the street. So that is basically all you need to know. The other issues that you might run across has to do with battery replacement, but we can deal with that if it comes up. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.